Hello guys, Sean Blue here. I would like to do a tribute to the actor Robert Rusler. He was in such movies as Nightmare on Elm Street Part 2 as Ron Grady. He was like the best friend of the main star of that movie. He was also in Weird Science. He was kind of like one of the bullies in that movie, and but then they ended up kind of like becoming friends with him at the end. Along with Robert Downey Jr., who was his good friend in real life, and Robert Downey Jr. After he actually drove Robert to his next job at Nightmare on Elm Street Part 2, so that was really cool, and that's how close they were. And he also did a small part in the movie Pretty in Pink, where he was just like one of the kids hanging out in the club. And he also did many other movies, but those were two movies that I really knew him in. Nightmare on Elm Street Part 2, he was great in that. And he was murdered in that by the kid that played Jesse. And him in Weird Science, and he was good in that too. And yeah, I would just like to do a little shout out to Robert.